You gonna get a close-up?
Yeah.
Hi, grade 4 and 5. This is Miss Stockley's Night Soundscape in the haiku form. Water cooler buzz. Dog paws, scritch, scratch, hardwood floor. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick. And then I drew my symbols to show the sounds. And my instruments are just a ruler. And I'm gonna pluck the ruler for the water cooler sound. You can actually hear the water cooler on right now, so I've tried my best to replicate that sound. And then the dog paws with my fingers. And on plastic, and then the tick tock with, I picked a pencil crayon and made the best sound. So. Those are my night sounds in my house for my night soundscape. Thank you for watching.